Hi baked beans and welcome to workout 4. Congratulations for making it this far. We are over halfway there, which is brilliant. Great job. So far we've done our tummies, our arms, our legs, and now it's time for everyone's favourite, the bottom. We're also going to be working out our thighs, which is our upper legs, in this one as well. Now, one very important thing to remember is this dance has lots of squats. And when you squat, I need you to imagine you're sitting on an invisible chair. So for example, we bend the knees, our bottom goes backwards as if we're sitting on a chair. So I want you to imagine there's a chair behind you, so push backwards. So not this, it's backwards. Push backwards with the bottom. And then when you come up, really squeeze in. And that's what will give you a lovely, muscular, healthy bum. So join in with me as best you can. Remember to stay hydrated and most of all have fun. As always, the more often you do this, the easier it will become. And please do this alongside all our other routines from this week. So let's do it.
Got no self-control, and I don't mean cigarettes and alcohol. 'Cause when it comes to you, I can't say no. I don't wanna taste, I don't want it all. When I get you cold, I melt the door, not a minute more. Like an animal, I lose control, it's illogical. One little kiss can turn into 1,000. One little touch and I'm gone. Got no self-control, and I don't mean cigarettes and alcohol. 'Cause when it comes to you, I can't say no. I don't wanna taste, I don't want it all. Got no self-control, and I don't mean cigarettes and alcohol. When it comes to you, I can't say no. I don't wanna taste, I don't want it all. Na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na. I'm so predictable, fall every time, ain't it pitiful? And it's not enough, I try to quit but I'm giving up. One little kiss can turn into 1,000. One little touch and I'm gone. Got no self-control, and I don't mean cigarettes and alcohol. 'Cause when it comes to you, I can't say no. I don't wanna taste, I don't want it all. Got no self-control, and I don't mean cigarettes and alcohol. When it comes to you, I can't say no. I don't wanna taste, I don't want it all. Na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 and the hunger grows, I'm craving you and my body knows. 'Cause it wakes me up, hot through my chest, it's gonna be love.
Slowly down.
One
Push back.
little kiss can turn into 1,000. One little touch and I'm gone. Got no self-control, and I don't mean cigarettes and alcohol. 'Cause when it comes to you, I can't say no. I don't wanna taste, I don't want it all. Got no self-control, and I don't mean cigarettes and alcohol. When it comes to you, I can't say no. I don't wanna taste, I don't want it all. Na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na.
Woo! Good job, baked beans. Now you might be a little bit stiff or a little bit sore tomorrow, but that's just because we're using new muscles that we don't normally use. So keep going with this and all the other ones from this week. That's 4 now. And join me tomorrow for our last day. Great job, guys. Keep it up.